मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बीइंग अ स्टार्टअप फाउंडर is the new term for unemployed. I think everybody is a founder nowadays till they get a job. And I feel that is stupid. Very, very stupid. When I see CVs where somebody has written founder of a startup which is literally 6 months old and they're out looking for another job right now, I don't look down upon them till they start selling me how they survived and then got killed as an entrepreneur. Then I'm like, okay, wait, hold. 6 months is literally a blink. And for me to really give you enough value, you need to be first humble about it. You need to tell me things that you discovered about yourself, on how you are not built for it or how you are not great at things, before you start expecting me to have sympathy for you for getting killed, in the war. I don't think so. You basically did not even enter. You got killed at the door. And I suspect that you were never a part of the war. You basically were looking for a job for next 6 months and, some sort of, cool idea, came to you and you thought, मैं भी अपना स्टार्टअप करूंगा और 6 महीने में $1 billion कंपनी हो जाएगी. So it can be brutal to hear, but I think being a startup founder nowadays, it's so fashionable that it almost feels like status of unemployed for a lot of people. But it's a good thing as well, because that's how the world will learn. Because अगर जितने ज़्यादा लोग स्टार्टअप करने की कोशिश करेंगे एंड सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे, उससे उन सभी लोगों को वैल्यू मिलेगी जो स्टार्टअप करेंगे और सर्वाइव कर पाएंगे. क्योंकि जिस गेम में बहुत सारे प्लेयर हों और सिर्फ कुछ ही सर्वाइव कर सकें, तो कुछ ग्लोरी तो आपको उस वजह से मिलेगी. दूसरा, वो सभी लोग जो जेन्युइन अटेम्प्ट करेंगे स्टार्टअप करने का और किसी भी अच्छे या बुरे रीजन से फेल होंगे, बिकॉज इट इज ब्रूटल, इट इज जेन्युइनली ब्रूटल. उनकी ऐसा नहीं है कि वो डड है, पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उन सभी लोगों को फाउंडर्स के लिए थोड़ी सी रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ जाएगी. दे विल बी एबल टू फील अ लिटिल मोर अबाउट हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज. आई ऑलवेज होप that people who are attempting a startup and let's say not making it for various reasons, I only hope all the time that they, because of that experience, probably will be better assets to other startups. They will be better assets to other founders because they will generate some empathy for them, and that can be one of the best ideas on earth. But if you were only pretending to do the startup, if it was just your state of unemployment, if you were pretending to be a founder and you are delusional about it, I have actually seen more people coming out bitter and arrogant out of those experiences than humble and empathetic. And that, is something that I feel sad about, but it is just the law of nature. कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसके बारे में. I hope ये आंसर, ये ओपिनियन, ये थॉट आपको रिलेटेबल लगा होगा, या हो सकता है ना भी लगा हो. आई वुड वॉन्ट टू नो योर रिएक्शन इन कॉमेंट्स. अगर इस आंसर के ऊपर बहुत सारे सवाल हैं या कुछ सवाल हैं, या इस थॉट को आप चाहते हो दैट आई एक्सपैंड इट इन एनी वे, हाउ यू फील अबाउट दिस, लीविंग अ कॉमेंट फॉर मी is going to be the fuel to make the next one. Thank you.